Hello and welcome to interest.co.nz. I'm Gareth Vaughan with 90 at 9, which is our overnight news wrap, and we start today with news that July retail sales in the US were flat month on month against economists' expectations of a 0.2% rise. The drop saw equity markets rise on the hope the Federal Reserve may not start raising interest rates, that of course is once it stops printing money, quite as soon as some are expecting. Meanwhile, in Australia, the New Zealander running ASB's parent Commonwealth Bank of Australia has rejected suggestions the housing market is a systemic risk to the economy or a bubble. After CBA posted record-breaking $8.68 billion annual profit, Ian Narev addressed issues raised by one of his predecessors, David Murray, who heads a government financial system inquiry. Murray has said big Aussie banks may be too mortgage-heavy after a rapid increase in household debt since the mid-1990s. Mortgages make up 54% of CBA's assets, but Narev said in a recession, institutional credit quality and SME lending are the first areas to come under pressure. Meanwhile, the latest data on the Greek economy, the poster child of the euro crisis, suggests it may emerge from a 6-year recession this year. Greece's economy shrank in the second quarter at its slowest annual pace since late 2008, with GDP down 0.2% year on year. Nonetheless, elsewhere in Europe, yields on 10-year German government bonds neared a record low as slowing inflation in the Eurozone and the weak US retail sales boosted speculation global monetary policy will stay accommodative. Benchmark German 10-year yields fell 3 basis points to 1.03%. Elsewhere, major banks have backed most recommendations from regulators for reform of the world's largest and least regulated financial market, the currency or foreign exchange market. And in China, there's been what the South China Morning Post is describing as a shock fall in the broadest measure of credit in the Chinese economy and sluggish data for real estate investment in July. That's 90 at 9, and I'm Gareth Vaughan at interest.co.nz.